Welcome back. PWH, playing with horsepower. Okay, engine stand, mod, just about done. You guys are going to like this, I think. Well, as long as my stuff cooperates here, but I'm just tapping a few holes for my final piece. And I'll show you guys what I've got done here so far. Anyway, this part was from the mower deck. I ground this part down. There was this shaft that stuck up through here. I ground it down, took the welds off, pounded the pin out, and I took a piece of exhaust tubing. If you guys can see that there without the glare. But yeah, there's a piece of tubing welded in between this lower crank sprocket. Piece of what, 2 3/4 inch tubing or something like that. And yeah, if you guys just hold on, I will show you the next steps and next processes. And if you guys don't know where I started, go back a couple videos, check them out. They're there. Feel free. And I'll get back to you here in a couple seconds. But yeah, just hold on a minute. Okay, so I managed to tap out both holes. Everything seems to be working hunky-dory. Check that out. Just tap for 3/8, so it'll be plenty strong enough to roll over an engine by hand. But yeah, check that out, eh? And then how do you call it? Beveled? Yeah, we'll call it beveled. Tapered. Yeah, there we go. I tapered that so that the wheel fits in there like a glove. Yeah. Let me just get some stuff here together for you guys and show you just what it looks like together somewhat. But yeah, give me another minute. Good old internet. Hold on a split second. Okay, so a little bit difficult drilling, but I oversized these 2 holes on this side. There and there. A little hard on the bits, but hey, it is what it is. If you guys want to sharpen drill bits, get yourself a chop saw and hold the throttle down there and just hold your drill bit at the right angle and just give her a little back and forth there. Don't angle it, but just a straight slide back and forth. Man, that works good. Sharpened up my bits a couple times, otherwise I was screwed. But yeah, so that's drilled out. There's my fancy piece there. So you guys can see how this sucker fits together. In case you're wondering. And look at that. Boom, check that out. Drilled and tapped. And moment of truth. Man, that fits so nice. Wow. Wow. Okay. So, once that is centered in there like that, tighten down your bolts. Like so. Alright, hold on a second. I'll put the rest together and I'll show you what's left. Alright, you guys, this is what I came up with. Oh, wait, it's all done. What the hell? Cool. Okay. How's that for backyard do-it-yourselfer? Huh? I just got to change this pin out here. Got a little pin in here that's got to go. It's not big enough, but I don't have the right pin to replace it right now, so it's going to stay like that. But tell me, what do you guys think of that? Is that the ticket there, or what? Check that out. Hey? And I'm just using one gibbled hand on that. Man, that works so much better versus sticking a bar in there and fighting with it and having a motor, the engine just about land right in your lap and on the floor. And what heck of a use for a couple old timing sets that are stretched out. But, okay, we got mower deck bearing. I could have cut it up and made it a lot prettier, but I was just test fitting and it just happened to work so good there I didn't want to screw with it, if you know what I mean. As for the bolt hitting the legs, put a little weld here to keep it separated a little farther away from the main collar. And we've got a locker right here so you can rotate it, lock your engine into place. And when you want to roll it over, you just got to do that. I mean, check that out. Is that not the kitty teddies? Huh? Is that not the meow? Huh? Meow meow? You guys want reduction? Look at that. Okay, so rundown. Bearing race, welded to crank sprocket, chunk of 2 3/4 inch exhaust tubing, welded to the old mower deck blade attachment. That's where you mount your blade. I ground it all down and knocked the pin out of it. And then I drilled it out and then I tapped it for some 3/8 bolts, as you can see right through there. The thread in. And all this holds it in is a pin. I just got to get a cotter pin and put it in there and voila. Easy disassembly, easy assembly. Homemader. But anyway, oh wait, hold on. Hold on. We're missing something. Hold on a second. Okay, we got a finishing touch we got to add here. I totally forgot about. Right. Right there. Mind you, I guess I need that centerpiece, but yeah, there she be. There she be. But yeah, just thought that was useful. Please like, share, comment. Let me know if you would have done anything differently. If you like this stuff, it's kind of shenanigans, give me a subscription. Subscribe. And I'll show you guys more of this kind of crazy stuff.